Today, we will learn how to prepare 500 ml 0.1 normal sodium hydroxide solution. Before starting, let us make it clear what is meant by normality and normal solutions. Normality is described as the number of gram or mole equivalent of a solute present in 1 liter of a solution, whereas a normal solution is one which contains gram equivalent weight of a solute per liter of solution. For example, gram equivalent weight of sodium hydroxide is 40. So dissolving 40 grams of sodium hydroxide in 1 liter of water will be 1 normal solution of sodium hydroxide. Let us prepare 500 ml of 0.1 normal sodium hydroxide solution. For this experiment we need sodium hydroxide and distilled water. Apparatus we require: a volumetric flask of 500 ml capacity, pipette, and a beaker of 1 liter capacity. To know the quantity of sodium hydroxide needed to prepare 500 milliliters 0.1 normal solution, we need to do some calculations first. We know that a normal solution contains gram equivalent weight of solute per liter of solvent. Let us calculate gram equivalent weight of sodium hydroxide from its molecular formula, where sodium 23, oxygen 16, and hydrogen 1 summing up gives the gram equivalent weight of sodium hydroxide as 40. It means dissolving 40 gram sodium hydroxide in 1 liter water will give 1 normal solution. We are getting an equation. 40 gram sodium hydroxide dissolved in 1000 milliliters of solvent gives 1 normal solution. So X gram sodium hydroxide dissolved in 500 milliliters of solvent will give 0.1 normal solution of sodium hydroxide, where X is the quantity of sodium hydroxide to be weighed. Solving the above equation to find out the value of X by cross multiplication method, we get the value of X as 2 gram. Therefore, dissolving accurately 2 gram sodium hydroxide in 500 milliliters of distilled water will give a 0.1 normal solution. The above equation can be used to calculate the quantity of sodium hydroxide needed to prepare any normal solution of any volume. Let us learn the procedure. Step 1. Weigh accurately 2 gram sodium hydroxide. Step 2. Dissolve previously weighed sodium hydroxide in sufficient distilled water. Step 3. Transfer the sodium hydroxide solution from the beaker into a 500 ml volumetric flask. Rinse the beaker with little distilled water and transfer to the volumetric flask. Step 4. Adjust the volume up to the mark with distilled water. Thank you for watching the video. The next video will be on how to standardize the above prepared solution. But before it, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you will get a notification once we upload the second video and many more videos. Kindly suggest in the comment box on which topic you need the next video. Thanks again.